Carmen, eat your breakfast. Sige na. Come on. Do you want to eat the cereal?
No.
Do you want your banana?
No.
What do you want to eat?
No.
None? Are you a good girl?
No.
Are you a good girl?
Yes.
Yes. Come on. You go and eat now. Eat. Come on, you go and eat. You're a good girl, right? You're a good girl?
Ah.
Are you a good girl?
Yes.
Are you pretty?
Yes.
Yes. Are you intelligent?
Yes.
Yes. Is that it? What's your name?
Dada.
What's my name?
Dada.
Where's Sam?
Dada.
Gone? I'll call for him.
Bam.
Call for him. Louder.
Bam.
Bam. So you call your brother Bam. Come on, you go get on. Hey, eat. Come on, eat. What do you want to eat then?
Big.
Grapes? Okay. You go and get your grapes then. Yeah, go and get your grapes. Oops, careful. So that's what you want to eat. So that's it. Breakfast. Grapes. What is that, Carmen? What's that? What are you eating? What are you eating?
Dada.
What is this? What's this?
Dada.
Grapes? Ay, you're making a mess. Beautiful eyes, man. Beautiful eyes. Yay. One more time. Beautiful eyes. Yay. Oh, wave hands. Hello. Say hello.
Hello.
Hello. Oh, sige, eat your grapes na. Is that your breakfast? Huh? Kainis. Bah. What do you want to see? Nowhere. Say, hala, sige. Go back there and say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Bye. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye.
What?
Say bye-bye.
What? What? What?
Okay, that's it for now.